It's the beginning of the new year, and what I like to do is I like to regroup and kind of like refocus on my wellness journey and just really embrace the whole new you or whole you approach, you know, for my body, my mind, my soul, my spirit, the list goes on and on. Some of the ways that I really found that resonated with me or works well with me, number one is starting with what I eat. That's really most of it, to be honest with you. I really start to focus on the ingredients that I use. I cook at home so I can see, you know, how much of what I'm using. I definitely make simple and tasty swaps for just healthier snacks and meals. But what's really important to me is, you know, is how it tastes. I think it's really important that just because it's good for you and it's healthy, that's not like a death sentence, you know what I mean? Or, you know, you don't have to, it can taste delicious and great. So that's what's really important to me. Another thing that I found that's just really great is doing yoga. I absolutely love yoga. But yoga for me, it's not just like a vain thing, you know what I mean? Okay, you may walk out with more muscles or toned, great. But for me, it's about feeling good. I feel like if I feel good, then I'm gonna continue on that journey. So for me, what I love about yoga is there's an intention whenever you work out or do a yoga session. That's every yoga session. You know, I just love this idea of focusing on something and being grateful. And not only that, it's just all about breathing in and breathing out. And it's amazing if you just take just 2 minutes of your day and just breathe in and breathe out, how it really just calms your nervous system and it just calms your brain waves and everything. So that's one thing that I do that I absolutely love. And if I could give a tip for anybody, do what you love and do what you love to do. So yoga may work for me, but you know, some people, I know this sounds crazy, but some people may like to hula hoop. Guess what? You can work out, you know, with a hula hoop. So my point is that whatever you love to do, whether that's hiking, you know, if you like to run, do it, because I think you'll be consistent with it. Also, I think it's important to, you know, meditate. I meditate, and when I do that, it just calms my nervous system, it calms everything down, and I just feel great and I feel better. So those are just some of the ways that I'm working on, you know, my wellness journey for this year.